Just discussing short while ago, of course, I was told that more or less about 16 crore people are covered by life insurance, but I think there is a much bigger scope for that. We very much appreciate initiative taken by IRDA and the industry over the last few years in terms of better products, a much higher level of protection to consumers, and better returns for customers. But I think more new products and innovative things needs to be formulated in this direction. Only one thing, that the insurance repository system, which is to be set up by the IRDA, will be the first of its kind in the whole world, and it is a very, very welcome step. According to IRDA, the objective of creating an insurance repository is to provide policyholders a facility to keep insurance policies in electronic forms, where the changes or required things can be done very easily. The cost reduction can be there. There is a lot of transparency will be there in that one, and I'm sure Mr. Vijayan will throw a little more light on that. As we all know, in India, our people are more inclined towards saving, and one of the first thing is they think of is the life insurance. So I think in this direction we need to have some more trained agents or the people who sell insurance to guide the population properly and increase this insurance business. Also, there is a need for proper financial planning for our consumers in India, and therefore there is a need for quality of advice in managing their financial needs. One thing I wanted to request Shri Vijayan is that we understand from January 1st, the insurance policy will get costlier as the government widens its service tax net to cover the policies. As you know, sir, that this is still life insurance is very, very product essential thing. So we'll like to request you, sir, to take up with the Ministry of Finance to waive this service tax at least on life insurance. I once again thank all of you to joining this evening, and we'll have interactive session after a few speeches and Mr. Vijayan's speech, and we can go for a question answer where we can raise various points, your suggestions and problems or anything of that sort. Thank you.